Hi guys, welcome back to another one. We are going to be making asparagus. I managed to find some purple asparagus and I got these in a good deal. They are currently in season at the moment. Can you believe 90-gram serving of purple asparagus all provides more than 1/3 of your daily folate need? Guys, this essential B vitamin helps prevent anemia and keep the heart healthy. Just think about that, okay? And we've got some purple. It's all purple today. It's all purple. Some red onions, some ginger, and I've got garlic. And also, guys, I've got some fresh herbs here. I've got coriander and basil. One thing I like to do, guys, I always, if I go in the store, right, and I find some, fresh herb that might be that is on offer, I'll come home and I blend those together and I keep it in the fridge. And what I do is I use during the week, especially when I'm meal prepping, or if I'm just reviving my meals, I like to put fresh herbs and spices onto my meal. So this is very handy. So I'm just going to use the chopper now and we're just going to blend everything together. Listen, when you are in a hurry, there is no time, but just put everything together. So I'm just adding my onion, my garlic, my ginger, and the herbs, and it will give a nice fresh aroma to any dish. Okay, any dish, this will go well, and that's what we're doing. So I'm just gonna take this out now and I'm gonna put it in a glass bowl, and again that'll go in the fridge, and then I will literally revive my meal during the week. Because when you meal prep, sometimes you keep things in the fridge and you just want to revive it with fresh herbs. It will taste like you've made it today. Okay, this is just my little tip. Okay, but yes, that's all there, guys. If you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed, make sure that you click on that subscribe button. Right, guys, all I'm gonna do here is I've washed my asparagus and I'm just gonna cut them. I'm just taking the tip off because I really don't like eating that part of the asparagus, but if you want to, you can eat the whole thing. I just prefer to just eat the top end where the flower bits are. Right, guys, I've marinated my salmon, and the herbs that I cut, I've just literally put it on top, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna steam this. Okay, and I'm using the air fryer that I've got. This is not a promotion. Okay, I've got the Tefal air fryer. I haven't done an unboxing for it, but here's a picture of the air fryer that I got. Guys, I feel like this meal is the quickest low calorie meal that you can make. Okay, if you don't have an air fryer, don't worry, you can put it in the oven, or you can just use your normal steam cooker that you may have, or you can pan fry everything if you need to. Okay, so this is the steam technology, and all you do is you add water in there and then you put it on the machine, you flick a button, and 10-15 minutes later your meal's cooked. Okay, but it is that quick. Can you see? It's literally, look at it, it's cooked to perfection without even doing anything. Technology nowadays, absolutely, your meal is cooked to perfection. This is a low calorie meal. Like I said to you guys, you don't have to steam it. If you don't have an air fryer, you can pan fry it, you can put it in the oven, or you can deep fry it if you want to. But guys, I hope that you are enjoying the video. I'm literally going to serve my meal now, and this is all that I'm having to keep the calories low but still get my nutritional benefit, my fiber, my protein. It's all in this one meal. If you are looking for a flat tummy, this is a very good meal for that, because there's nothing here apart from low calorie and absolutely lots of health benefits. Okay, guys, I'll catch you guys next time. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Make sure that you do me a massive favor. So I'm going to say supply supply me supply. I was gonna say supply what? Supply and click that subscribe button so we can keep growing on the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Love you all. Bye.